Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Roblox in virtual reality. First, ensure your VR headset is properly connected to your computer. Next, make sure your Roblox application is fully updated to the latest version for optimal performance. Then, simply launch the Roblox application from your desktop. Finally, select any game that is compatible with virtual reality to begin your immersive experience. Connecting your virtual reality headset is a crucial first step. Begin by plugging your headset into the appropriate USB and display ports on your computer. You might need to install specific drivers or software provided by your headset manufacturer. After installation, follow the on-screen instructions to calibrate your play space. Confirm your computer successfully detects your headset before proceeding. Once your headset is ready, open the Roblox desktop application. Navigate through the game library and look for titles specifically marked as virtual reality compatible. When you find a game you want to play, simply click the play button. Roblox should then automatically launch the game directly into your virtual reality headset, immersing you in the experience. To get the best out of your Roblox virtual reality experience, consider adjusting the in-game settings for maximum comfort and performance. It's also important to ensure your computer meets the recommended system requirements for smooth gameplay. Remember to take short, regular breaks to avoid any potential motion sickness. Finally, have fun exploring the wide variety of virtual reality games available.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.